Hi, this is Michelle James with Wireless Dealer Magazine, reporting live from 2014 CES. I'm here today with Dean Bigelow from Red Zombie, who is going to talk to us a little bit about some really cool technologies in screen protection. What are you excited about this year at CES?
Well, there's a lot of things to be excited about. Our company focuses on screen protectors for phones and iPads. So I brought some things I can show you to keep that investment that you've made protected against damage and from dropping it. So you want me to show you some of that?
Yeah, let's see what you have.
Well, we do a couple of different things. We do a laminate screen protector. So it comes in this packaging. It's a polyurethane. It's got healing properties, so when you put this on your phone, it's cut to fit, and if you get makeup or scratches on it, it's not going to ruin the screen of your phone. And that's probably our biggest seller right there, is this one right here, the laminate one.
So you mean if I scratch it, literally scratch it, it will heal itself and you won't be able to tell there was a scratch there?
Right, it'll heal the scratch. It'll also, if you have scratches on your phone right now, it'll kind of blend in with your screen and hide those scratches before you put it on.
Wow.
So it's a really cool
Wow.
product. Now this is like I say, the flagship. But we found another product that we love, and I'd love to show you that one too.
Yeah, let's see that.
This is our newest product. It's called Zombie Glass, and it's a tempered glass. So when you put this on your phone, if you drop it or it gets hit with something and impacts it, it won't break the screen on your phone. Now, it's tested at a 9H hardness, and I'm going to give you a demonstration because I've got one on my phone right now.
Okay, let's see it. Now, your phone is a
My
Samsung.
phone is a Samsung Galaxy 4.
Yeah, and it has tempered. It has your
has the tempered
Red
glass.
Zombie tempered glass on it.
Yes, for all you Walking Dead fans. So if you were to take this and hit it with a stapler, normally you'd probably ruin your phone, or if you dropped it. But if you take this and see how hard I'm hitting that, in fact, you take it and hit it. Yeah, bang it up. See, as you can see,
I would
no
never do that with my
scratches.
own phone.
That's right. I shouldn't do this with my own phone. I should have a dummy phone, but I'm a dummy, so I've got it on my real phone. But that just illustrates how tough this glass is. It is, you can see
That's
that
amazing.
There's no scratches. It didn't break. And you know, you've got a major investment in your phone. You've got to keep it protected. And so that's what we're selling this year and looking for vendors and distributors to carry for us. So we're really excited about that.
That's really exciting. And so for our audience who are independent wireless retailers, if they wanted to find this product and find Red Zombie, how would they do that?
We've got a website. It's called redzombie.com.
Okay.
And you can find us on there pretty easy. That's yeah, pretty easy.
And then can retailers buy directly from you, or do they need to go through distributors?
No distributors yet. Everybody buys through us directly. So we take really good care of our vendors, our dealers. We give them a great price, and then they're able to mark it up and make a great margin on it when they sell to the public.
Wonderful. All right. Well, thank you so much. That is amazing. I still can't believe it. That's crazy good. Crazy good.
More when we're done.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.